Do you have an ugly keyboard that looks something like this where some of the keys are even missing? Do not worry, we're going to transform your ugly keyboard into something that you can brag about. Let me know in the comments below what kind of mechanical keyboard you've been using. In this video, I'm using the Fanatic Streak 65. I'm not one of those YouTubers to go into all technical details. I'm gonna let you know what my experience has been using this thing for the last 3 years. When I picked it up, it was over $100. Right now it's on sale for $65. All my switches still work. All the RPG lights still work. The springs are still phenomenal. This thing was built to last. Now it has over 1,000 4.5 star ratings. And if you're in the market for a keyboard, I highly recommend this one right here. I'm not getting paid for this. This is just what I liked and what I use. The first step to transforming this keyboard was ordering new keycaps. I ordered mine from Amazon. I bought white putting keycaps. No idea what that was before this video, but I took a chance and it was worth it. I also picked up some red rubberized keycaps, and I'll let you know later in this video if these were even worth it, so stay tuned for that. For this video, we had to use a keyboard box that displayed all the keys so I can know where everything went. If you did this project, let me know in the comments below, did you have to use something like this? Look something up online. Once all the keys were laid out exactly how I wanted, I prefer to work clean, so I kept a little trash bag, as well as I use this orange tool right here. Please use this one, not this one. This one is trash. Use this orange one. Everything's laid out. We're ready to rock and roll. These rubber keycaps come in different colors. I just went with the red because it matched everything that's in my office. Let me know in the comments below which one do you like the most. If you pick up one, let me know which ones you want to picking up and if you like them. I'm gonna give you my 2 cents on these keycaps in a second. Overall, the project really isn't that hard. I wound up using a shark symbol for my escape key, but they do have different styles. I believe there was one more. I wound up giving that one away. Let's talk about these keycaps. The putting feels really soft and smooth to the touch. Your fingers just glide right over it. When it comes to the rubberized keycaps, I'm not fully decided if I like them or not. Right now, it's been about 2 weeks since I made this video, and I want to give my honest review about them. There's times that I absolutely love them, and there's other times when I'm playing a competitive shooter that they kind of get in the way from transitioning from smooth to rubbery. It can mess you up here and there. So I'm not really gonna give my stamp of approval on this yet. Let me keep practicing with this thing for a while. Maybe you get used to it eventually, but as of right now, it's a maybe. It's holding up. The quality is still good, and like I said, after 2 weeks I haven't had any fading. The lights still shine through the keycaps, so it's been pretty well for the last 2-3 weeks. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like the red, white, and black finish? This project took about 20 to 30 minutes to complete. I know you can do this. Have some faith, have some patience. You got this. Stay tuned to the next video. Peace. Peace.